Sagittarius, yearly horoscope for 2021 around love. You are fiercely independent, Sagittarius. You love your me time, sometimes the exclusion of your partner. But at the same time, you are someone who is most at ease when settled down. The caveat here is that you can be extremely happy in a committed relationship, but only with the right kind of partner. You want a partner in crime, so to speak, someone who will willingly go off on adventures with you. You need someone who doesn't focus on playing it safe, who isn't all that sensitive, someone who enjoys a constant state of change that you often exist within. If you can find a partner like that, your life will be one long adventure. And if you are attached, this year could bring a lot of great adventures to your door. You don't even have to look. Invitations will come, or opportunities to explore and discover will fall into your lap. Bringing your trusted mate along will make these experiences so much more joyful. For Sagittarius person who is unattached, this probably isn't the year when you will go out searching for the one. Right now, you are valuing your freedom and loving every minute of your spontaneous lifestyle. You do not want to be tied down, and yes, that is just fine. However, be careful that you don't unwittingly attract someone who does want to be tied down. If you do encounter such a person, be sure to make it very direct that you have no plans on settling down just yet, or you could just wind up facing a tough and tearful situation.